the sun is round. They tried to launch an IBM, success could not be found.
North Korea, they say they got the bomb. North Korea, we really hope they're wrong. They threaten to nuke us and our Asian pals. Their warheads are too bulky, they'll never leave the ground. North Korea, they say they got the bomb.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
North Korea, we really hope they're wrong.
There was a little problem on Capitol Hill this year. They couldn't pass the budget. They filled us all with fear.
Next there was the rolla, or so it was called. It rolled like a flat tire, a tire which is bald.
Healthcare, healthcare, healthcare for all Americans.
Healthcare, 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 despite preconditions.
He said I could keep my doctor, now I guess I can't. The website isn't working, Obamacare's a sham. Buffer, 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 the spinning wheel of death. Buffer, 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 the ACA's a mess.
End of part 1. Intermission. End of intermission. Part 2.
October 1st, the fiscal year began in our United States. Along with it came a shutdown, lasted for 16 days. We just want to mend this fight. Can't our government do anything right? Don't even get us started on Ted Cruz. All we want for Christmas is good news.
The GOP led a policy dispute, intrude upon America's budget needs. Wouldn't raise the debt limit, Obama surrender they wanted to see. 3 years and $600 million for affordable care. Still the president's system isn't ready, yet option after option is taken away. We just want to mend this fight. Can't our government do anything right? Don't even get us started on Ted Cruz. Remix!
Holla! All we want for Christmas is good news.
Oh, the shutdown may be over.
A debt limit reached for now. Republicans under fire, yet America suffers still. Obamacare won't make us happy, but neither will another delay. We're just gonna keep on waiting. Maybe we should bring back Reagan's morning again.
It should just be like a solo part in the beginning, then it should just go like that.
Oh my god. Why does nobody have two different eyes? This is not fair.
Look through
What are
it.
you doing?
Nothing.
What?
Then they tried to launch it.
Oh man, I can't.
Okay, 3,
But I keep losing my voice.
7, stop.